JF-17. Thunder is an advanced, lightweight, all-weather, day and night multi-role fighter aircraft. Developed as a joint venture between Pakistan Aeronautical Complex, PAC, Camera and Chengdu Aircraft Industry Corporation, CAC of China. It possesses excellent air-to-air and air-to-surface combat capabilities. The state-of-the-art avionics, optimally integrated subsystems, computerized flight controls and capability to employ latest weapons provides decisive advantage to JF-17 over adversaries of same class. This all-weather, multi-role light combat fighter has remarkable high combat maneuverability at medium and low altitudes. With effective firepower, agility, and combat survivability, the aircraft is likely to emerge as a potent platform for any air force. The first JF-17 prototype aircraft, called FC-1, was rolled out in May 2003. It made its first flight in August 2003. Later on, two more prototype aircraft were added for basic structure, flight qualities, performance, and engine flight testing, while two prototype aircraft were involved in comprehensive avionics flight testing. The basic flight testing was completed in 2007, which also marked the arrival of JF-17 Thunder aircraft in Pakistan, where it was formally presented to the nation as a Pakistan Day gift on 23 March 2007. Over the years, 3 blocks of JF-17, including dual-seat aircraft, have been produced at Pakistan Aeronautical Complex, with continuous improvement and upgradation in the avionics suite, flight controls, and weapons carrying capability. The JF-17 aircraft was formally inducted in Pakistan Air Force by replacing aging fleet, and currently 7 squadrons of PIF are operating JF-17 aircraft. Pakistan Aeronautical Complex, PAC, holds 58% work share of JF-17 airframe co-production. A comprehensive infrastructure comprising state-of-the-art machines and required skilled human resource has very quickly been developed at the complex. The final assembly and flight testing of the aircraft was the first JF-17 co-production activity to start at Pakistan Aeronautical Complex. The first Pakistan Aeronautical Complex produced aircraft was handed over to Pakistan Air Force in November 2009. Since then, aircraft are being produced regularly to meet the required schedule. The co-production of sub-assemblies and structural parts subsequently commenced and has sequentially attained the sustained production status. Besides upgrading the production system, Pakistan Aeronautical Complex has also upgraded its quality, technology, and archive management systems to meet the production and management standards of a 4th-generation fighter aircraft. Specifications, physical parameters. Length 47 feet, height 15 feet, wingspan 31 feet, empty weight 7,965 kilograms, performance parameters, maximum takeoff, weight 13,500 kilograms, max Mach, number 1.6, maximum speed 700 knots, IASC service, ceiling 55,500 feet, thrust to weight ratio 1.07, maximum engine thrust 19,000 pounds, G limit plus 8-3, ferry range 1,880 nautical miles, armament number of stations 08, total load capacity 3,400 kilograms.
Avionics Suite. The avionics suite makes the JF-17 an effective weapon platform. The glass cockpit and hands-on throttle and stick HOTAS controls reduce pilot workload. Accurate navigation and weapon aiming information on the head-up display helps the pilot achieve his mission effectively. The multifunction displays provide information on engine, fuel, hydraulics, electrical, flight control, and environmental control system on a need-to-know basis, along with basic flight and tactical information. The capability has been built around highly modern state-of-the-art avionics equipment that can undertake high-tech aerial warfare in an all-weather operations, detecting, tracking, locating by AESA radar in complicated ECM environment, ensuring improved short-range air-to-air and beyond visual range multi-target attack capability. The salient avionics equipment is as follows: dual redundant mission computers, dual redundant 1553 MUX bus architecture, AESA radar capable of tracking multiple targets with prioritized firing, inbuilt self-protection jamming, internal and external SPJ suites, ring laser gyro inertial navigation system tied with GPS, Smart head-up display with upfront control panel and 28 degrees field of view. Color video recording camera and video recorder. HODAS. 3 smart multifunction color displays. Helmet-mounted display. Radar altimeter. Combined interrogator transponder. Live virtual construct. LVC. Tactical data link. VHF/UHF communication system. Weapons capability. The aircraft is fitted with modern stores management system incorporating accurate weapon delivery modes and solutions involving minimum pilot workload. The aircraft is capable of carrying some of the most modern as well as conventional weapons, including beyond visual range active missiles, highly agile imaging infrared short-range missiles, air-to-sea missiles, anti-radiation missiles, laser-guided weapons, runway penetration bombs, standoff weapons, general-purpose bombs, training bombs, 23mm double-barrel gun. Design features: aerodynamic configuration, bifurcated side air inlet with incorporation of latest bump intake technology for improved performance, leading-edge maneuvering flaps, trailing edge flaps, twin ventral fins, landing gear, nose gear with steering, main gear with paddle-controlled hydraulic brakes and anti-skid braking system, comfortable cockpit escape and egress system, NVG-compatible cockpit conforming to USMIL standard, suitable for 3% to 98% percentile range of pilots, single-piece stretch, acrylic transparent canopy providing a good all-around, field of view ejection seat, latest Martin Baker high-performance ejection seat, canopy severance system for additional safety, French oxygen regulation system, passive leg restraint system, environment control system and oxygen system, effective control of cockpit pressure and temperature, effective temperature and humidity control of cockpit, and avionics for optimum performance, efficient anti-G system for pilot, flight control system. Flight control system of JF-17. Block 3 aircraft is a full authority, 3-axis, and quad redundant digital fly-by-wire system. Quad redundancy in fly-by-wire system. Autopilot, auto spin recovery and auto TEF controls. Fuel system, total internal fuel 5,400 pounds, 3,000 liters. Single point pressure refueling system. External fuel, 1 centerline drop tank 800 liters, 2 underwing drop tanks 800 to 1,100 liters.